First, welcome to the channel. Today we'll show how a well-built spreadsheet supercharged with AI can beat pricey financial planning fees. We'll cover a practical, privacy-first approach, step-by-step setup, powerful prompts, and realistic stress tests so you can self-advise with clarity and confidence. Next, here's our roadmap. We'll start with why spreadsheets outperform fee-based planners. Then we'll uncover common traps like the so-called free evaluation. After that, we'll build your master sheet, add AI as a privacy-first Copilot, stress test medical shocks, run local Python simulations, and close with key takeaways and next steps. Moving on, let's articulate why spreadsheets win. A spreadsheet provides control because you define the rules and update assumptions in real time. It offers transparency, as every assumption is visible and traceable. It integrates taxes, cash flow, and accounts in one place. And importantly, it does all this without recurring planning fees. Now, the fee problem. Recurring fees compound against your net worth. Many proprietary planning tools don't match your real administrative needs, and their automation often fails with messy, ongoing tracking. Meanwhile, beware the free evaluation. It's commonly a funnel to upsell long-term, expensive management. Instead, you can self-plan with a disciplined spreadsheet and simple peer checks in independent communities. Then, compare planner software against your spreadsheet. Software often hides assumptions, limits customization, charges ongoing fees, keeps data siloed, and can come with sales pressure. By contrast, a spreadsheet offers complete transparency, total customization, no recurring fees, integrated views of accounts, taxes, and cash flows, and, most importantly, you remain in control. Before we proceed, a quick disclaimer. This is educational content, not financial, legal, or tax advice. Markets involve risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Consult a qualified professional for personalized guidance. Most importantly, never share personally identifying data with online tools. We'll show privacy-first methods shortly. Next, let's build your master sheet. Create one workbook with tabs for accounts, transactions, contributions, taxes, expenses, assumptions, scenarios, and results. Maintain a monthly ledger that rolls into annual summaries. Track every cash flow, deposits, withdrawals, fees, dividends, and taxes. Add an assumptions tab for returns, inflation, tax rates, rebalancing policies, and withdrawal rules. Then define scenarios such as base, optimistic, and pessimistic. Finally, build a results dashboard with charts for balances, cash flows, taxes, and success metrics. Now, here's a suggested column structure. Include date, account and type, the security or asset, start balance, contributions or withdrawals, dividends or interest, fees, taxes, and the resulting end balance. Use the notes column to capture context like employer matching or special transfers. This format supports accurate roll-ups and clear audit trails. Moving forward, treat AI as a Copilot. Use large language models to generate scenario code, test assumptions, and critique plans. Keep a privacy-first mindset. Request contrarian critiques to avoid optimism bias. Push for realistic modeling that includes taxes, fees, inflation, and sequence of returns risk. AI shines when you provide clear prompts and keep control of your data. Next, privacy is paramount. Never upload identifying details such as names, account numbers, addresses, or social security numbers. Aggregate data by sharing totals by account type rather than raw statements. Doctor spreadsheets by removing identifiers and keeping only necessary columns. Prefer local computation. Ask the AI to write Python or R scripts that you run on your own machine. Keep offline, versioned backups for recovery and audit. Then, visualize the workflow. Inputs like account balances, tax rules, and assumptions feed a scenario builder where you define base, optimistic, and pessimistic cases. Those scenarios flow into a simulation engine that can run Monte Carlo or sequence of returns analyses. Results produce reports for balances, cash flows, tax impacts, and success probabilities. Finally, decisions such as saving more, spending less, retiring later, or adjusting allocation feed back into assumptions, creating an iterative loop. After that, use power prompts. First, constrain the AI to recent, specific historical data to avoid training set inaccuracies. Second, define your tax and geographic context with precision to get after-tax cash flows. Third, stress test medical shocks explicitly with multiple variants. Fourth, invite contrarian critiques that challenge your assumptions and provide mitigations. Additionally, stress test catastrophic medical costs. Double or triple model high expenses across several years. Inflate premiums faster than headline inflation to mirror real trends. Quantify when and why the plan fails and how you could recover through working longer, reducing spending, relocating, or partially annuitizing. Document assumptions so you can update quickly as circumstances change. Quick check. What is the safest way to use AI with your financial data? Option A. Upload full statements so the AI sees everything. Option B. Share only aggregated totals and doctor files to remove identifiers. Option C. Provide your social security number for true personalization. Option D. Disable two-factor authentication to simplify access. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is to share only aggregated totals and doctor files to remove identifiers. Keep sensitive details away from external tools and prefer local computation whenever possible. Now let's bring it local. Export aggregated, non-identifying inputs from your spreadsheet as CSV. Run a local Python script to perform Monte Carlo simulations. The example shows an illustrative setup, but you should replace the return series with your own locally stored historical data. The script applies returns, fees, and withdrawals with inflation, then reports success rates and ending balance percentiles. Paste the outputs into your dashboard for visualization and decision-making. Next, cement the key ideas. Your spreadsheet is your best advisor. Use AI for modeling help without sharing identity. Demand data-grounded, contrarian, and tax-aware analysis. Stress test medical shocks thoroughly. And prefer local scripts for both privacy and power. Another quick check. How should you treat a financial advisor's free evaluation? Option A. As a no-strings comprehensive plan to adopt immediately. Option B. As a sales funnel. Use the report but remain skeptical of ongoing services. Option C. As mandatory for realistic retirement analysis. Option D. As a way to offload all administrative tracking forever. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is to treat the free evaluation as a sales funnel. Use the report to gather insights, but remain skeptical of ongoing services. Maintain control with your spreadsheet and selective AI modeling. Finally, here's your 30-day action plan. Build your master sheet and dashboards in the first few days while completing your privacy checklist. Draft AI prompts, stress test medical scenarios, and run local Python simulations through the third week. In the final week, perform a contrarian review, polish dashboards, and commit to decisions. Repeat this cycle quarterly for compounding insight. Thanks for watching. If this helped you plan smarter, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more deep dives. Leave your toughest assumptions in the comments, and I'll challenge them in a future episode.